Selamat sore pemirsa, Presisi Utama kembali hadir untuk Anda, edisi Senin 10 November 2025. Selama 1 jam ke depan kami telah menyiapkan sejumlah informasi terkini. Bersama saya Bribtu Ternoliwadu, kita lihat dulu 3 berita utama sore ini. Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto menganugerahkan gelar pahlawan nasional kepada 10 tokoh bangsa. Di Twitter, Barreskrim Polri menggelar konferensi pers pengungkapan kasus tindak pidana pertambangan ilegal di wilayah Samboja, Kalimantan Timur. Personel Polsek Ngariboyo, Polres Magetan bersama tim gabungan melakukan evakuasi terhadap seorang remaja yang tenggelam. Di informasi pertama pemirsa, Kapolri Jenderal Polisi Listio Sigit Prabowo menyatakan bahwa Deks Ketenagakerjaan Polri berfungsi untuk menjadi wadah penyelesaian sengketa antara perusahaan dan pekerja. Selain itu, Deks Ketenagakerjaan Polri ini juga menangani tindak pidana ketenagakerjaan seperti tidak membayar upah, mempekerjakan anak atau PHK sepihak.
Bekerja. Oleh karena itu tentunya ini adalah apresiasi bagi kami dan tentunya kami sebagai Des Ketenagakerjaan yang tentunya memiliki tugas untuk membantu menyelesaikan masalah-masalah yang terkait dengan dunia ketenagakerjaan, mulai dari hal-hal yang bersifat mediasi, kemudian kita mencarikan solusi, termasuk apabila ada pelanggaran terkait dengan masalah ketenagakerjaan, tentunya kita akan melakukan penegakan aturan. Dan juga tentunya yang tidak kalah penting, kami selalu berkoordinasi dengan mitra-mitra untuk mencarikan job atau tempat pekerjaan baru bagi teman-teman buruh yang kemungkinan ada yang terdampak PHK untuk bisa mendapatkan tempat bekerja yang baru, tentunya dengan syarat-syarat dan kemampuan yang dimiliki. Tentunya ini adalah bagian dari upaya kita untuk terus mendorong agar Des Ketenagakerjaan ini betul-betul bisa optimal, dan tentunya kami selalu mendorong agar buruh di Indonesia terus bisa berkarya untuk bangsa kita di tengah situasi yang ada. Kita terus mencoba untuk mencarikan solusi-solusi, dan harapan kita ke depan apa yang diperjuangkan oleh teman-teman buruh tentunya ini betul-betul bisa berjalan dengan baik, dan kita mendorong buruh Indonesia untuk menjadi buruh yang memiliki kecukupan, dan harapan kita menjadi buruh yang betul-betul sejahtera. Mungkin itu yang bisa kami sampaikan. Sekali lagi terima kasih kepada Mr. Luke, Mr. Yosida atas kunjungannya, dan sekali lagi salam hormat dari kami, keluarga besar institusi Polri, untuk institusi yang ada di Brussels ya, Brussels, dan juga Asia Pasifik. Mungkin itu. Terima kasih.
Good afternoon. Yeah, okay. I can't speak your local language. I have to do it in English. First of all, thank you very much, General, for your welcome and your hospitality in this afternoon. The International Trade Union Confederation that I'm leading is the global organization that organizes all workers' organizations, trade unions in 170 countries. It was a pleasure and extremely interesting for me to see how the police can contribute to the solution of individual workers' problems in Indonesia. So we have received an explanation on the labor desk and on the the solution of conflicts that happen everywhere in the world, but also here in Indonesia, and that try to be solved here in this building, but also throughout Indonesia. And it's new. We all know it exists since January this year. So this is only the starting process. So I'm very much looking forward to how this can be further developed, and also what we can learn from this experience here in Indonesia for maybe practice that we can also use then in other parts of the world. Because workers, unfortunately, are always victim and have always been victim of conflicts or of violations against their rights. And you know very well that workers are a fundament of a society, because with our hands, with our brains, we produce goods, we produce services, we make an economy of a country. So workers' rights are fundamental in a democracy. Workers' rights are fundamental in a society, and they need to be respected. And let's also be clear, probably most employers also here in Indonesia respect workers' laws, but there are always others that are not doing it. I met today some workers that have been made redundant and their severance pay was not paid. Well, then they can come here, and through the mediation of the police, their employer will have to pay their severance pay. But I would like to broaden it as well, because the police, 500,000 people here in Indonesia are in the service of the police, and you are leading this department. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you for leading this service in Indonesia. 500,000 people are important, not only because of safety in a country, but it's also a pillar of democracy. As trade union movement in the world, we promote democracy, because democracy is the pillar, is the society that we want. It gives freedom to people. It gives the respect of human rights. And then we need also to have an institution such as the police that make sure that people's rights are protected and that democracy can function. So I would also like to congratulate the National Police of Indonesia for indeed being that important pillar in a democracy. And last but not least, how many people in Indonesia? 270, 300 million people. Well, you are a tiger. You are a tiger as country. You are a tiger in the region. And in that sense, what's happening here in Indonesia is not only important for Indonesia, but it's also important for the region where we are here in Asia and in Southeast Asia. So I met also this afternoon the president of the country. I also expressed to him the importance to give the right example here in this country, because this can be used in other countries also throughout the region. So thank you very much for your hospitality. It was for me a pleasure and an honor to be here and to be welcomed by all of you. I met an extremely motivated and dedicated team under your leadership. Let's keep on doing the good work. And we, as International Trade Union Confederation, we are the largest social movement in the world. We organize far more than 200 million individuals in our movement. We have connections in the United Nations, in the International Labour Organization, but also in many other institutions. I take this experience with me in my daily work, in our daily work throughout the world, and thank you very much again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Ada pertanyaan? Cukup? Mungkin dari keluarga Ibu Marsina mau menyampaikan satu.
Bapak Kapolri, kami, Kakak Marsina, merasa bangga Bapak Kapolri peduli ke buruh dan melindungi buruh seperti yang diperjuangkan adik kami, Ibu Marsina. Bapak Kapolri mengurus yang korban PHK, juga peduli kesejahteraannya. Bapak Kapolri, saya undang berziarah dan berkunjung ke Nganjuk bersama Pak Andi Gani yang ingin membuatkan museum dan rumah singgah Ibu Marsinah di Nganjuk. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Beda. Boleh nggak Pak? Boleh nggak Pak? Selain izin Bapak.